Quick message for you as the owner of a mixed-use property that came off the market. Most expired listings share one issue. The right buyers couldn't get the right financing. I've solved that by bringing DSCR, commercial, and non-QM products to the table. Programs that work for investors, business owners, and even live-in buyers. That means more qualified buyers, more offers, and a stronger financial result for you. And when you pair that with my digital marketing systems as a realtor, you get maximum exposure. You don't need to change your realtor. You can still use me strictly for financing. Let's explore what will actually get your property sold this time. Just reply and we'll schedule a quick call.